On February 19, the Rollins community will come together for Giving Day, a day to dream, to believe in what's possible, and to help every student turn their aspirations into reality.
My dream is to move people through performance. Rollins has given me the space, mentorship, and opportunities I need to grow as both an actor and a playwright.
As a student athlete, I've learned that great teams, whether in sports or in business, are built on trust and leadership. Rollins is teaching me how to bring people together and help them succeed.
My dream is to inspire through storytelling and strategy. Thanks to professors who are industry professionals and classes that teach practical skills, I'm getting real-world experience in marketing and communications.
As a first-generation student, I've seen how opportunity can change everything. My education is setting me on a path not only to succeed, but thrive.
Every dream realized at Rollins begins with your generosity. On February 19, make your gift and help shape what's possible for today's students and for generations to come. Together, we make every day at Rollins a day to dream.